Okay, hello. This video is about how you can get a free Lexus. Okay, free Lexus car. How to get it free? You leverage the government to pay for your car payment. Okay. Right now, every day, if you're not in a self-employed kind of business, and if you don't have a business, then you're not in an MLM, then you're losing out. Because, my friends, check it out. Read any textbook, and they will tell you when you have a home-based business, you will gain benefits in the form of tax deductions. And one of the things is for Americans every year, right? You be driving around between 12,000 and 15,000 miles per year. That's on average, okay? But if you're like me, I drove around last year 30,000. In the last 10 years, the same thing, 30,000 miles per year. In the last 10 years, that's equal to 300,000 plus, right? My car is 2003. It's an Avalon, and right now I have 347,259 miles. So almost 350,000 miles. And most of these mileages are tax deductible because I have a self-employed business that I do, and of course I tax deduct my mileage. You know, you don't have to tax deduct 100% of your mileage. You can tax deduct 80%. If you don't do that work a lot, then it's 60% or whatever amount. You be coming out ahead. And because, let's just give an example. 12,000 miles, right? So you know that 12,000 miles, let's say only 4,000 miles of those are tax personal miles. The rest are business miles. And I will teach you how to turn everything into a business mile, okay? If you join under me. But let's say 8,000 out of 12,000 miles per year, or let's say 15,000 miles per year, and 10,000 of those are business miles. So you have 10,000 miles, and the tax deduction for each mile is you gain, or you can tax deduct 56 cents per mile, okay? So 10,000 miles of, and 56 cents is like you gain $5,600 that the IRS cannot tax you. For example, if you, let's say you work a $30,000 per year income at some job, so you can tax deduct $5,600 from that amount. Now the IRS can only tax you at $24,400. Okay, so that decrease your tax bracket quite a bit, and you become gaining ahead, right? Also, 5,600 is an equivalent of whatever car you buy. Probably a payment around 400 would be 4,800 per year, right? And now this one is 5,600 per year that you can tax deduct. That means like you're getting your car for free, right? You leverage the government to pay for your car. And of course, if you pay too much, then of course they pay you back in those money amount, meaning you get a refund. So in fact, you do get hard cash back, right? A check, and then you cash it and you enjoy life, okay? That's how it is, my friend. I have a car right now. It's 347,000 miles on it, and I have gained in the last 10 years more than 150,000 miles. $150,000 in tax deduction. Man, I'm mixing up the miles and the dollars. So for my car, I have used my car to the gain of $150,000 in the last 10 years. Okay, do you do the same? There's no stopping you, right? Except fear. And guess what fear is? Fear stands for false evidence appearing real. So whatever it is, you conjure up. You cause the fear. Most people feel, oh, the IRS is gonna audit me. So what? If they audit you, the worst they can do is, hey, this deduction is not allowed. These deductions are illegal or wrong. Then you pay a fine. They're not gonna send you to prison. You know, you do it with Quicken software or even some IRS certified tax preparer, and you say, hey, I didn't do it. The IRS enrolled agent, certified accountant did it, so it's not your fault. But if he's not doing it then you need to do it too. In the end, you are responsible for your tax filing, but the worst that can happen is they fine you. But if they don't, then you gain the advantage of driving cars for free and getting gas for free compared to your friends, right? Let your friends and other people pay full price for their car. You get supplemented by the IRS to pay for your car, right? That is one cool way to live life, my friends. Live in large. Drive a more expensive car than you can afford, and then have the government pay for it. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. You can reach me at farmallen@gmail.com, or you can text me at my cell number 956-949-9137. Thank you. Bye.